Hey, sports and entertainment marketing. Sorry I'm a little bit late with this upload. I just wanted to make sure that I got it out to you before too much longer. So today we're going to be working on what is a brand? Brand is like the personality that sends your business forward out into the world. It's what people connect with. So we're going to look at how businesses do that. Um, let's see. So in the morning, you guys are doing a Google form, and in the afternoon, we're going to look at your favorite athletic brand, whether it's athletic wear or if it's like a beverage or a athletic snack, like anything that's kind of marketed towards that sort of sports and entertainment world. How do they utilize their brand? What is their brand like? You're going to make a collage about that. So then you'll see as we get a little bit farther on, I don't have everything super fleshed out yet, but I do know the big themes we're going to be working on. So on Wednesday, we're going to be talking about the marketing mix, which is product, place, price, and promotion, and how that helps to connect customers with products. Then we're going to talk about the target market in terms of demographics. So like who specifically are you going to try to market your stuff to, and how do we do that? How do we really like hone in what we're trying to do to reach those specific people so they are interested and want to buy the stuff? Then I'm going to take you a little bit farther forward to kind of give you an idea of the next couple weeks. So we're going to be talking about the channel of distribution, and specifically in the world that we live in now, where so much of what we buy is online. How do things go from like the raw materials that they're made of to the customer? What's that whole process? And then we're going to talk about how that affects the economy as a whole, and how as companies and consumers, there's so many choices about how things are done, and we actually have less choice than we think. But that business as a whole can have a really either positive or negative effect on the world as a whole. We're going to get into that a bit. So that's where I'm going to leave you guys for right now, and I'll see you later today. Bye.